Welcome to Shruti's online school, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone, we are doing simplest form of a fraction. So in this, we have already revised that simplest form. To convert into simplest form, we reduce the fraction to its lowest possible form by dividing the numerator and denominator with a common factor. We have already seen the divisibility by 2, 3 and 5. Now we'll focus on divisibility by 7 and also other examples. So for checking the divisibility by 7, we need to just divide the number by 7. There is no other shortcut other than dividing the number by 7. Let us see the first example where we have 14 over 35. Now 14 and 35. If we know the table of 7, so 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 4s are 28, 5 is 35. So means they both are divisible by 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2 and 35 divided by 7 is 5. And later 2 and 5 do not go in any other common table. So 2 over 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 14 over 35. Next example is 91 over 77. Now 91 upon 77 divided by 77, you can easily see and find out it is divisible by 7. Now 91, there is no other shortcut for 7 except for dividing. So 7 ones is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 1 comes down, 7 threes is 21. So you get 7 into 13 is 91. So 91 when I divide by 7, it gives 13 and 77 divided by 7 gives 11. Now 13 and 11 are not going in any other common table. Hence 13 over 11 is the simplest form of the fraction 91 over 77. Let's move on to the last example, 84 upon 98. Now 84 and 98, if you see, they both are even numbers having 4 and 8 in the units place, so they both are divisible by 2. So we quickly divide them by 2. 2 4s is 8. You get 4 down. 2 2s is 4, which gives you 0. And when you divide 98 by 2, 2 4s is 8. 2 9s gives you 80, and hence when you divide, you get it as 84 divided by 2 is 42 and 98 divided by 2 is 49. Now 49, if you see, you can easily divide it by 7. 7 sevens gives 49. And if you know table of 7, you will see that in table of 7 you also get 42. So 42 divided by 7 is 6 and 49 divided by 7 is 7. Now 6 and 7 cannot be reduced further. They both do not go in any other same table. Hence 6 over 7 is the simplest form of the fraction 84 over 98. Now let us see some other examples. First example is 48 over 60. If you see carefully, they both are even numbers, so they both can be divided by 2. We quickly divide 48 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 table 4s are 8. And when we divide 60 by 2, 2 3s are 6. And zeros are 0. So 48 divided by 2 and 60 divided by 2, I get 24 and 30. Again you see 4 and 0, so they are even numbers. They can be further divided by 2. So when I divide 24 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which gives me 2 12s are 24. And when I divide 30 by 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10, which gives me 2 15s are 30. So when I divide, I get 12 and 15. Further, if I go to see, 12 is an even number, 15 is an odd number. But when I add the digits 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, it is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, so it is divisible by 3. So 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. 3 fours is 12 and 3 fives is 15. So 4 over 5 cannot be reduced further, hence 4 upon 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 48 upon 60. Now the next example is 12 over 52. Both have got 2 in the units place, that is they both are even numbers. So I divide 12 by 2, 2 6 are 12. Lastly 52 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 tables 6 are 12. So when I divide both of them by 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 into 26. Now again both are even numbers, so both can be divided by 2 further. 2 3s are give 6 and 26 I divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So this gives me 13. 3 and 13 cannot be divided further. Hence 3 over 13 is the 3 over 13 is the simplest form of the fraction 12 over 52. Now the last example what we have is 28 over 35. 28 is an even number, can be divided by 2, whereas 35 cannot be. Divisibility by 3, if I check 2 plus 8 is 10, not divisible by 3. Then divisibility by 5, yes 35 can be divisible by 5, whereas 28 is not. Now we move on to the next number 7. So 7 4s is 28, 7 5s is 35. 4 and 5 cannot be reduced further. Hence 4 over 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 28 over 35. Thank you everyone. We'll meet in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.